Rue Part 2. So I did harvest. One thing I didn't say is I'm usually cutting down about 2/3 down that long stem. So these I kept up for the bees. I probably took 2/3 of the flowers. I'm a sucker for good pollinators. And I mentioned putting down dirt. So this is one way I help it spread, and I could propagate, you know me in English. Oh. So I came over here and I see this stemming down and kind of falling down over here. So what I'm going to do is I have this rock. Thank you, rock. I'm going to kind of put it there in a moment. But first, so this will start rooting and doing its thing. I'm going to put some dirt there. So that will root here. And later on, if I wanted to cut it there, this might take a year, might take 2, it just might take the season. But if the roots start to form, I'll cut it there, and then I can have another plant if I wanted to. I'm probably just going to do this so it establishes itself more in this area. I might put a little bit more dirt here, and then sprinkle a little dirt more there, because that seam just naturally wants to bend down and lay there. So wouldn't it hurt to have some good dirt? This is a little mix of compost and manure and stuff from last year. So I always take last year's pots and I empty them out, and then I add some good stuff into it. So that's really quick. And I would do this with rosemary. I would do this with lavender. But this is how I'm going to encourage propagation and have a new plant. And then give it a little, again, because this is amended, it's giving this plant a little extra something. All right. I will see you all later. We'll say goodbye to the bee. Goodbye, bee.